Now that we've saw some of your ideas or your elaboration, here's mine. I remember that firefighters use an axe to chop into walls and buildings in order to save people. They use that sharp axe. So the axe was not already here from our choices. So I thought I remembered this from my brain, and this is the elaboration that I did. So now what we're going to do is put our colors. You should have already put your colors, but I'm going to go over this so we can remember. The first thing that we need to underline is the main topic. Can you say main topic? The main topic is person, place, animal, thing. Do that with me. Person, place, animal, thing. Who is doing something here? Who or what is doing something here? Is it a person or people that are doing something? Is it an animal that's doing something in this sentence? Is it a place that's doing something in this sentence? Or is it a thing that's doing something in this sentence? Well, let's reread the sentence and find out. Firefighters use tools to keep people safe. Who is doing something here? Are the firefighters doing something? Are the tools doing something? Or are the people doing something? Think about it. The firefighters are the ones who are using the tools to do something. The firefighters are using these tools to keep people safe. So the firefighters are the topic, the main topic of this sentence. They're the ones who are doing something. They're using something called a tool or tools. So we're going to underline the main topic, blue. Okay? You should have already done that. And then the rest of the sentence is the point that the author is trying to make. Remember, the author writes the words. An author wrote these words. So firefighters is our main topic, and then the point is that they use tools to keep people safe. Isn't that what it's talking about? That firefighters, what do? They use tools to keep people safe. This is called the point. Can you say the point? I can't hear you. Say the point. So main topic, say main topic, and then say the point the author's trying to make. The author's trying to prove to us that tools can keep people safe, the ones that firefighters use. And you should have already done this. So this is our whole main idea. Can you say main idea? We're going to be learning these words for many years while you're in school, but I'm just introducing them to you. The main topic, repeat after me, the main topic plus the point equals, it's the whole main idea. That's the whole idea of this paper. Firefighters use tools to keep people safe. So now I am going to take my green, and you should have already done this, and I am going to put a box around my details. These are my details that prove that firefighters use tools to keep people safe. And so the fire hose is one detail. The ladder is another detail that shows us a tool that firefighters use to keep people safe. And now the axe is a detail, but it's my special detail. This is my very special detail for my brain. So I'm going to make it a prettier color. We use the color purple, and maybe you think green's prettier, but I think purple's prettier because I like purple better. Purple is our elaboration. It's the very special detail that came from our brain, what we remembered. So you should have yours purple as well. If you don't, go ahead and press pause and make sure that your elaboration, say elaboration, make sure that's purple. So repeat after me. Detail, detail, elaboration. You just made a whole frame. Great job. Now what we're going to do is we're going to glue our next piece onto our paper. We listened to the book, Doctors Use Tools to Keep People Healthy. This book taught us about the different tools that doctors use to keep people healthy. We are going to go ahead and glue this onto our paper. It was the second book that we listened to. We're going to glue it underneath the firefighter book. Go ahead. I want you to press pause, and I want you to glue the doctor paper underneath the firefighter paper. Okay, so now I know you already did this, but I want to see if you can help me. We have to make a decision. Doctors use tools to keep people healthy. Do doctors use pencils to keep people healthy? Have you ever gone to the doctor and he stuck a pencil in your ear? Did that keep you healthy? I hope he didn't stick a pencil in your ear. That would be dangerous. No, our doctors don't use pencils to keep people healthy. They may use pencils to write things, but to keep people healthy, I don't think so. What about this thing? Do you guys remember what this is called? This is a very tricky word. Stethoscope. Can you say scope? Stethoscope. Is this a tool that doctors use to keep people safe? Have you ever had a doctor use this tool on you? I have. A doctor listens to my lungs when I breathe in and out, and listens to my heartbeat. Ba-boom, ba-boom, ba-boom. This is a tool that keeps people healthy. The doctor makes sure that your breathing is healthy and your heart is beating the right way. That's keeping people healthy. I hope you put this on your paper as one of your details. Let's find another detail that doctors used to keep people healthy. What about this vacuum? Has a doctor ever put a vacuum on you to keep you healthy? Has he ever put a vacuum on your head? A vacuum sucks dirt off of things. Do you have dirt on your head? Did a doctor put the vacuum on you to suck all the dirt out of your head? No, this is not a tool a doctor uses to keep people healthy. Now, it cleans, so it keeps things clean so you can be healthy, but a doctor does not use this on you to keep people healthy. Let's go to our last detail that we have to choose from. This says bandages, like a Band-Aid or a cast if you break your arm or hand. Has a doctor ever put a bandage on you, like a Band-Aid or maybe a cast? Maybe one of your friends got a Band-Aid or a bandage or a cast from a doctor. This is a tool that doctors use to keep people healthy. So look, we just found two details that prove that doctors use tools to keep people healthy. Now what I want you to do is go to the next slide. I want to share examples that you guys thought of. I want to see what you thought of for your elaboration. These are the details. Now I want to see your elaboration. What do you remember that doctors use? What tools do you remember that doctors use to keep people healthy? Go to the next slide. Let's see what you thought of.